Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money with Revolut. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your money, send and receive payments, and exchange currencies at competitive rates. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app and create an account. Once you have set up your account, you can add money to your Revolut wallet using a debit or credit card, or by transferring funds from your bank account. To send money with Revolut, open the app and select the Send option from the dashboard. Choose the recipient's country and currency, and enter the amount you want to send. You can send money to a bank account, a mobile money account, or to another Revolut user. If you are sending money to a bank account, you will need to provide the recipient's name, bank account number, and routing number. If you are sending money to another Revolut user, you only need to provide their username or phone number. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective way to send money abroad. You can also track the status of your transfer in the app and receive notifications when the funds are delivered to the recipient. When sending money with Revolut, make sure to check the exchange rate and fees before confirming the transaction. You can also use the app to schedule recurring payments, such as bill payments or salary transfers. In addition to sending money, Revolut also offers other features such as budgeting tools, savings accounts, and travel insurance. The app is available in multiple languages and is supported by a 24/7 customer support team. By following these steps, you can easily send money with Revolut and take advantage of its convenient and cost-effective features. Remember to always check the exchange rate and fees before sending money, and to use the app's tracking feature to monitor the status of your transfer. With Revolut, you can send money with confidence and enjoy a seamless and secure experience.